Nej.
Okay,
Nej.
here's what I
Nej,
found
nej,
online.
nej, nej, nej.
Take a look.
Nej. Translate. What? What the f is wrong with you, asshole?
Antiperspirant. Antiperspirant.
Perspirant. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox another goodie box. This is a limited edition box and it's all about the rituals. So all the products comes from that brand. We have seen some pictures on Goodiebox, Instagram, Facebook and social media overall. So we have seen the products. I didn't read about them and I didn't really want to read about them because I want to be a bit surprised when I open the box. Before we begin, I would really recommend you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already and hit the like button. And of course, if you don't want to miss my future unboxings and tutorials and all of kind of videos, I would really advise you to turn on the notifications as well. Just click the bell and turn on. Yeah, something like that. Well, with that said, let's start. The last unboxing I did just a week ago maybe was very confusing because we didn't find descriptions and nothing because they have stopped to send the description paper with you physically. You can instead go onto their website and read the online version of that paper. I found it maybe 1 or 2 days after, so we'll see if we can find it today. Good. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, it smells good. I hope it hasn't leaked. Oh, it smells very good. And it's beautiful. We have some blue with gold prints. Shiny. I like. And oh, we have a paper. Thank God. I really like the box. Descriptions. Oh, it smells so good. So we just open that a bit and then we take one product at a time. I love rituals and they are a bit of expensive brand, I think. So the first product we have is sun protection face cream. SPF 30, it's high and water resistance. And that's good because I have no sun protection for my face, so. The ritual of karma. Do good and good will come your way. 30. Sun protection face cream. According to ancient Hindu belief, living with good intent attracts good karma. Do good and good will come your way. Sun protection face cream, SPF 30, high protection. Blah 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 blah. Made in Europe. Put some on our hand and see if it's very white or if it sinks in, and it sinks in. And not overly sticky. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I like that because I hate those sun protection lotions that creams that sits like it's like a layer, a white cast, and you look like a ghost. So this is really good. I like it. You can't see that you actually have it on, but you have, and it will protect you. So yeah, I like it, and I like that it's a high protection level. I don't know how you say it. Whatever. Really, really good. Product number 2 is a body cream, Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea, 70 milliliters, and it's a rich, nourishing body cream. And not sticky either. You can't see it. It sinks in amazing. Oh, good amount of product, and I like the smell, so that's good. Okay, product number 3. And the packaging is, yeah, a little squeezed. This is a self-tanning face cream for a bronze effect. Apply evenly on dry and clean skin. Wash your hands well after use. Wait a few minutes before getting dressed. It's 75 milliliters and it smells so good. Hopefully this isn't too orange because I hate that, so I will definitely try it. Okay, so this is a 24 antiperspirant spray, Holy Lotus and organic white tea. So I guess it's the same on all of them because they're the same color. Not sticky or anything, not wet, and big size. This is 150 milliliters, so good size. The next product is a foot scrub. Feel compassion. 75 milliliters. Sensational cooling foot scrub. Okay. Smells the same. I've never used a foot scrub before, so interesting. I will probably not, but I should at least use it once. So we'll see about that. And the last product. So this is a shower foam full of kindness. 200 milliliters, and I have used their shower foam before. The pink bottle, or white and pink bottle. I received it in a Glossybox, I think, maybe, or something, and I loved it. It smelled so good, and you could actually smell it after you're showered, not just in the moment when you're applying it. So it really stayed, the smell. So I loved that, but I think they are a bit, at least I think they are a bit expensive. I don't know why, but I think they are a bit more expensive than a regular shower gel. So if you would have to purchase this over and over again, it would be a big difference in the amount of money you are paying for just a shower gel or foam. So therefore I haven't really repurchased it, but I really like them. So really fun, and this is a big size, so I like that, obviously. That's all of the products. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, so amazing. So let's read some descriptions. So first we have the sun protection face cream. This retails for $17. It's a full size. It's a sun protection, but at the same time it's a moisturizing face cream. It contains natural antioxidants, and it's based on organic white tea, vitamin E, and some other things. Apply a generous amount before you run out in the sun, and it's also water resistant. Good. Then we have the foaming shower gel, and this is a full size, and it costs around $9-10. So that's what I was talking about earlier. It's not really expensive, but it's a big difference between this and a drugstore shower gel. So in the end you pay way too much, I think, if you would use this every time you shower. So I don't know. So it contains organic white tea as well. It leaves your skin soft like silk and with an amazing smell. Use a little amount of gel and then enjoy this relaxing mousse when it comes in contact with water. And then the Antiperspirant spray retails for $9. Sweating isn't anything weird. Luckily, Rituals made our savior in need. It's the Antiperspirant spray 24 hours that keeps you fresh and protected with help of calming ingredients. If you shake it before use, you prevent white streaks on your clothes. Spray from a 15 centimeters distance under your arms, obviously. And now you have 24 hours protection against sweat and other unwanted smells. The self-tanning face cream, it retails for $19. Karma Glow till your favor. This is a non-sticky face cream and it's very easy to apply. It absorbs fast. It contains vitamin E and it moisturizes the skin. Apply the cream in a thin layer on a clean and dry skin so it absorbs in the best way. Don't forget to wash your hands after. And then the body cream. This is not a full size. The full size is actually 220 milliliters and this was 70 milliliters. And the original product retails for $19. This is Ritual's luxury body lotion that calms your skin. It smells magical. It's easy to apply and it absorbs fast into the skin. Apply the cream every day and massage it in. Yeah, you're damn right, I will. Then we have the foot scrub. It's a full size and it retails for $13. This foot scrub will take care of your feet and will leave them smooth like silk. Massage the scrub into your dry feet, relax a while and then rinse off. Okay, so all the products are full size except from the body cream. I love the smell, I love the packaging and I love the box. I really appreciate receiving this description paper because it helps me when I'm filming. It's much easier than searching on my phone and all of that. Okay, so I love this rather than the online version. It smells like a spa in here now. I love it. So I actually ordered, I don't know if I said it before, but I actually ordered 3 of these boxes. So maybe a little bit over the top, but yeah, I like the brand, okay? One product I kind of missing in this box is the scent sticks in this scent oil. I love those and Rituals have them in so many different scents and they're beautiful to put on just everywhere and it smells amazing. Maybe those are too expensive, I don't know, but it would be nice to actually receive that product. But I'm glad anyway, this is amazing. I don't know if this is a video you're appreciating, but I hope so. I thought I would upload it anyway and film it anyway because it can be fun to see, even though you can see what product it contains on their website. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell and turn on the notifications. So I see you in the next video. Bye!